Bangladesh is facing mounting economic challenges as both public and private investments remain stagnant. Experts have warned that without immediate action, the country could plunge into a severe economic crisis. Now, according to planning advisor Dr. Wahiduddin Mahmood, private investment has been stagnant due to political instability and economic uncertainty. The manufacturing sector, including the vital RMG industry, is struggling with disruptions caused by labor unrest and financial constraints. Meanwhile, Bangladesh Bank raised the policy rate to 10% in October, further discouraging private sector borrowing. Inflation remains a pressing concern. The inflation rate climbed to 11.38% in November, driven by rising food costs, which surged to 13.8%. Experts believe urgent policy measures are needed to stimulate investment and stabilize the economy. Despite these challenges, the Bangladesh Bank's Monetary Policy Committee has decided to hold the policy rate steady, citing positive prospects from stable exchange rates, a good Amman paddy harvest, and an increased supply of winter vegetables. However, rising interest rates on bank loans and a lack of investor confidence continue to hinder private sector expansion. The government's development expenditure has also slowed. The economic slowdown is having a direct impact on employment. The number of job seekers in Bangladesh has risen to 2.66 million, reflecting a 6% increase compared to the previous year. Young graduates are facing difficulties in finding employment, with 87% of the unemployed workforce being educated individuals.
The country is going through such a situation that the young people are getting depressed. Personally, I'm also depressed about whether I will get any job at all. It's a secondary matter whether I will go abroad. That too may happen after 1 or 2 years. I want to do something within the country first, but it's not happening.
The private sector, which provides 85% of the country's jobs, is struggling due to low investment and rising operational costs. Meanwhile, the government is emphasizing tax reforms to boost public spending and create employment opportunities.
Every year, 1.7 to 1.8 million new graduates enter the labor force, but our private sector is not developed that much and there are not many new opportunities as well. It's not a problem of the last 6 months or the last 2 years. Rather, we are experiencing this for the last 7 to 8 years.
Experts have warned that without a significant revival in investment and economic expansion, the middle and lower income groups will continue to bear the brunt of rising inflation. The coming months will be crucial for Bangladesh as policymakers navigate these economic headwinds. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.